Hi, and welcome to this tutorial for creating a stunning cat-themed coloring book that you can sell on Amazon KDP. In this tutorial, I will show you how to design covers like this and coloring pages like this. I will show you secret inside tips and tricks and tools used by Amazon bestsellers. Listen out for this sound and icon throughout the video. You will receive a free cover and coloring page starter template. You can find the links in the description below. You will receive video links for signing up to Midjourney. This is the software we will use to generate our designs, as well as a Canva tutorial for first-time users. This is the tool we will use to edit and compile our designs. I will show you how to upscale your designs to the highest resolution for best practice printing. I have tested over 30 upscalers and found the best one for coloring book illustrations. And as an extra bonus, I will show you 3 pricing strategies for better sales conversion. Let's dive in. We will start with the cover design. Head over to Midjourney and sign up for an account. Check out the video links provided in the description for how to sign up to Midjourney. Once you have access, let's adjust the settings for better illustration outputs. Insert /settings and enter. Make sure you have the latest model selected. Change stylized settings to between medium and high. And set to high variation mode. Now insert the following prompt, /imagine and enter. Then after the prompt insert, illustration, adult coloring book cover, cats, vivid colors, detailed space, -AR, space, 3:4. I found the best aspect ratio for a 8,5 by 11 inch page to be a 3:4 ratio. Push enter and wait for the image to load. Buy the complete template that includes 62 coloring pages and 25 cover designs. Store link in bio. Start selling today. Once the image has loaded, click on it and open in browser. Select the image or images you like the most and click the U button to upscale the design, or click on the V button to create alternatives for the specific tile you have selected. Wait for the image to load. Once loaded, open in browser and right-click mouse and save to your preferred folder. Continue this process with various prompt changes and additions. You can change the stylized settings to get a more detailed cover design. Play around until you have the cover design you need. Let's make the inner pages for our coloring book. We will follow the same process as the cover page design with some adjustments. Insert /imagine and enter. Now enter the following prompt illustration, adult coloring page, cat, black and white, detailed, -AR, space 3, 4 inches and press enter. Wait for the image to load. Once loaded, open in browser and choose an image to upscale. I found that every 2 to 6 images generated produce a nice coloring page. Continue this process and adjust your prompt as you go along. Try adding in styles like mandala. Upscaling your images is a crucial step in creating your KDP coloring book. Here is the same image. The one on the left is upscaled from Midjourney. The one on the right is upscaled by professional software. Let's take a look at the best tool I found. The tool's name is bigjpg.com. Pricing varies from free with a 20 upscale limit, with my favorite, the $6 basic, which is more than enough to create a coloring book. Upscale your cover designs 4 times and your coloring pages 2 times. Remember that Canva image upload limit is capped at 25 megabytes, so upscaling over 4 times will produce a file to large for Canva. Let's look at how to combine all our images in Canva. We will start with the cover design. Open the free cover starter template. Within every template is a 62-page cover backing with bleed. Use this backing to align your images and titles and make sure nothing important is cut off when in final design. Everything on the edge of page in red is the bleed border and will be cut off. Position your uploaded image from the right-hand corner and over the spine line. For the back cover, you can use either a rectangle element or use an image as the back cover. Once you have finalized your design, simply click Share in the top right-hand corner, then file type PDF Print. Select CMYK if you have Canva Pro or RGB for Canva Free. Moving on to the inner pages of our book, open the free starter interior template. The pages have been set up with a bleed border so that the images can be positioned from edge to edge. Insert your uploaded and upscaled images and position as shown. Remember to position images that does not have an overlap within the bleed border line to ensure artwork is not cut off. Once you are happy with your interior pages, simply share and save as file type PDF print. Pricing your coloring book on KDP is an important decision that can impact your sales and royalties. Here are some pricing strategies to consider. Competitive pricing. Research similar coloring books on KDP to see what they are priced at. Competing within the same price range as comparable books can make your book more appealing to potential buyers. Experiment and A/B testing. Don't be afraid to experiment with different pricing strategies and track their impact on sales and royalties. A/B testing can help you find the optimal price point over time. Introductory pricing. When you first release your coloring book, consider offering it at a discounted price for a limited time. This can help generate initial interest and reviews. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more great content.